Okay, so carbohydrate digestion and absorption. Really, the digestion of carbohydrates starts in the mouth, and you have salivary amylase, which begins to break down carbohydrates, which is usually the sweet taste that you have in your mouth when you start eating a food. And a bolus just means a round mass, and so you chew your food, and obviously that moves down into your stomach. And while in your stomach, it is forms what's known as chyme. And that is not completely broken down because the pH of your stomach is not strong enough to break it down. So it moves from your stomach into your small intestine, and then you have your pancreas, which also produces enzymes, which in those enzymes begin to break down that carbohydrate. So remember that in order for your carbohydrates to be absorbed, they have to be simple sugars. So once it's broken down into monosaccharides, it's absorbed into the bloodstream, and that moves directly to the liver, and it's processed in the liver. So it's either utilized as an energy source, or it is stored in the liver, or it is sent through your circulatory system and also stored in the muscle. And your book talks a little bit about your small intestine, so this is a little bit of A&P. So you have these villi and those microvilli, which increase your capacity to absorb nutrients, which is a great physiological phenomenon that we have in our bodies, because we can absorb so many nutrients in a short time span. So any of the carbohydrates that are undigested go into the large intestine, and then the large intestine ultimately adds bulk to your food and gets passed out.